Ice on the floor. Ice.
Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you with another fire wig review, and today's wig is a braided wig from our good friends at Braided Wigs. So if you want to see how to slay and lay this braided wig, keep watching. Okay guys, so as you heard me say, today's wig is a braided wig. Okay, they've been all the rave lately, so I thought I'd hit you guys with another one right before the holiday season because we always need some affordable options, okay? So this wig is a little different from how the last two were. This wig right here, of course, hold on, of course it's super long, you guys know I always need my inches, but it's so cute. Okay, yeah, I opened this like before I filmed, so I'm sorry guys, I just couldn't wait. I was very excited. Yeah, so back to this. So this is kind of like styled in like a half up, half down kind of vibe. So once again, the wig comes with a wig band in it. Thanks sis, because a lot of companies will send you the band but they won't actually sew it in there for you, so we would literally have nothing to do but cut the lace and slip these baby hairs. Doesn't get much better. So like I was saying, the wig came with most of the hair braided down like this, but this little top part right here, as you can see, is up in a ponytail. Well, it's braided up so that you can put a ponytail holder in it, or you can put in like a little bun or something. You know, we gonna play with it and all that. And of course we have our little braid going across the front, which is our baby hairs. We're gonna take this out, comb them out, and yeah, so I'm really excited about this wig. Once again, like the other wig, this wig does come with an adjustable strap at the bottom, as well as 4 clips on the inside, because you know your girl over here like to wear her wigs glueless. You know, we might spray a little got to be glued on there, but that's about it. So I'm not about to hold y'all up much longer. It's time to put on this wig. Okay guys, so I'm just going to cut a little bit of this lace off because I don't want it rubbing up against my eyebrows while I show y'all. Okay, that's better. About to wipe all my eyebrows off. Okay, so I just wanted to try the wig on so you guys get a general idea of how it's going to look. So it's going to be like this, and then this part right here, either you can twist it up in a nice little bun, something like this. I know we're gonna do it a little neater later, but either you can put it up in a little bun like this, or you can wear it half up, half down. So let me get to attaching this wig to my head because this is about to be cute. And hold on, before I forget, this hair smells like all types of wonderful, like incense and herbs and oils. I don't know what she used, but the hair smells wonderful. Just want to point it out. Okay guys, so I just finished spraying the inside of the unit with my airbrush legs. I did this in all of my other braided wig videos, and this is just a quick way to get the lace to match your skin a little better without using all of your makeup. Of course you can use makeup if you want. I prefer this way, but just because it kind of freezes on there, but you know, to each its own. If you want to see a more detailed instructions on how to do this, I'll make sure to leave the link at the end of this video. But sis, look at it now. Please Remember, I know this might look a little crazy right now, but eventually it's going to be in a ponytail or a bun. So yes, maybe I should just go ahead and do that right now so I can stop saying eventually. Okay, so now that I've put a little rubber band on here, I'm just gonna take three. I think I'm gonna take, okay, yeah, I'm gonna take 3 braids from the back, and I'm just gonna twirl it around. And now this looks really cute and neat. And also, if you like high ponytails, the taller you twist this up, the taller the ponytail will sit. Okay, and now to secure it, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and slide it right in. And there we go. Okay. Now it's time to, ooh, this is my phone. Now it's time to secure this lace. Before I get to tacking down the lace, I'm just trying to cut my ears out so that this can sit properly on my head. Now here's just a little note: if you do not put your ears in the right spot, the wig will sit weird. So you have to make sure that you put it in the little cranny that's left for your ear. Unlike a regular wig where you kind of cut your way how you want it, you can't cut into the braid. So make sure to do that before gluing it down, then trying to pop your ear out and the braid's sitting up like this because it's in an awkward spot. So make sure to remember that. Now I'm just going to take my Got To Be Glued spray, move this back a little. I'm going to start with the middle, so I'm just going to put that all over my forehead. Let's stick that on there. Okay, so now that I've cut off the excess lace, I'm just going to go ahead on and take out the baby hairs. Now I do want to warn you, you might want to start doing this before you tack the wig on, because sometimes it's like hard to find the end of that little bitty braid. And the hair is like really long, so you can go ahead and cut it shorter before you start taking it out. Not significantly shorter, but just so you don't have to sit there and take out that whole braid just to cut off like the majority of it. Okay guys, so I have taken out the baby hairs, and so now I'm just going to cut them pretty short. Okay guys, so I am back with the final look, and oh you guys, it's so cute. I love a good little half up, half down number. So yeah, as you can see, I whipped me some baby hairs. I didn't really try to make them too serious. Like I didn't try to make them too neat or anything, because I like when you know, baby hairs on a braided wig is a little more natural. So yeah, I tried not to really do too much, and I cut them pretty short because typically I cut my baby hairs a little longer than this. But like I said, as of recently, I've been seeing a lot of girls wearing the like little short baby hair straight across little look. So I thought I'd keep it short and cute, you know. Yeah, so you know, don't mind me though. Do not mind me playing with these baby hairs. I'm probably gonna be playing with them for like the next 2 days or whatever until I get them all the way how I want. Because to me, a wig is never truly how I want until like a week later. Is it just me who feels like that? Okay, and I told you guys that you can also wear this in a little bun, so let me show you. And once again, we're just going to secure it with a bobby pin. And bam! Now we have a cute little top knot. And these braids, I am totally loving this. It's just totally like giving me like, I don't know, cute, cozy winter vibes. Yeah, and I love, love, love. Now once again, I'm going to show you guys the back. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video. So I'm going to run down the specs right quick. Again, this wig already had a band sewn in it. 4 clips, baby hairs for you to put across the front so you don't have to worry about your own. And yeah, super, super, super cute. And might I say that this is glueless. I sprayed a little got to be glued on here, and we're gonna keep it pushing. That band is really, and those clips are really holding this wig down. And these wigs are not super heavy, but they're not the lightest things in the world, and it ain't going nowhere. Okay, you guys, I hope you like this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up. And remember to tell your friends to watch my videos so we can be friends. Happy holidays, guys. Bye.
She got ice on the feet, ice on the floor, ice drip from the walk when she hit the door. Got ice on the feet, ice on the floor, ice hit the drip from the new walk when she on the. And now I walk with it, not sweat, now I walk with it. It's a life with Lauren Ashley. It's the life with Lauren Ashley. It's the